Hey everyone, so it's been a while, but I wanted to share with you one of the features that I'm pretty stoked on in the latest, or one of the latest Articulate Storyline 360 version releases, and that is the changes to your slide size. So, what I want to first share is let's look at Storyline 3. You can change your default story size from the design ribbon and selecting story size. So here you can see that you've got your story size with a drop down where you can select an aspect ratio, or you can select custom and define your own. You can choose whether you want to lock or unlock aspect ratio. And everything kind of defaults at 720 by 405 or 720 by 540. 720 by 405 is the default. Anyhow, that's cool. So let's go to Storyline 360 and we'll look at what new things they've done. So if you go to the design ribbon and choose slide size, there's some presets here. So you've got those same, you've got your 720 by 540 default preset. Then you've got your 16 by 9, which is 960 by 540, or you can define a custom size. You still can choose whether to lock the aspect ratio, but you'll see that if you change it to 16 by 9, it automatically adjusts, and you'll see that the aspect ratio is at 16 by 9. Now, if you like one of these, so say you always are working in 16 by 9, you can set it as your default size, or you can create a custom one. Say we want to do 1200 by, I don't know, 450. You can choose to set this as your default size, and then when you open up Articulate Storyline 360 again, all of your project design or slide sizes will default to this size until you change it. You can also choose to scale existing content to fit, and that's really handy if you have, say you've built out a project and you want to change the design size. This will scale to all of those objects with a fixed or kind of a scalable size. It will scale all of those up so that you don't have to go through each slide as you would previously and just do a quick once over to make sure that things didn't shift or your sizes aren't all wacky. So this is definitely an enhancement for Storyline 360, and hopefully there's a few of you out there who are just as excited as me about this enhancement.